Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Goldbelly unboxing to do. This is coming from my good friends over at Cod Cafe Pizza in Boston. The best pizza. Oh boy. So you guys check them out. Link is going to be down below. You can order. They got 4 packs available. Pepperonis. You could do a mix and match ones. All you gotta do is click the link down below and take a look and see what they have to offer. So this is what we're gonna do, a little taste test too at the end. So definitely excited. Thank you guys over at Cape Cod for sending me this. Definitely appreciate it. It made it through. There is dry ice, so be careful. You might want to wear some gloves, but I think we're good. Ooh, here they are. Ooh, baby. Yep, got them all. See, nice thermo inside. Nice and cool still. Ooh, here we go. Okay, we got the pepperoni time. Oh yeah, these are frozen. Oh, you could put them on the grill also. Ooh, these look nice. You got the oven going right now, so we're going to do the oven. There's also directions on how to heat these up. Oh, this one looks a lot nicer because that was the top one with the ice. But here's, look at those pepperonis. Ooh. Can't wait to try this. And then, yeah, these are nice sized pies. So, got that one too. So 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, give it a few minutes, guys. We'll be hopping over to the oven and then doing the taste test. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We got the oven going. Cape Cod pizza looking good. Gonna take a sneak peek. It's 4:50. Set about 10 to 15 minutes, so just check on it once in a while. Oh, that smells good. That does really smell good. Look at that crust. Oh, I can't wait to try this, guys. 13 minutes. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got it out of the oven. And go let it sit down for a minute, cool off, and then give it a cut, and then give it a try. But straight out the oven. Feels nice and warm. It looks done. Oh, baby. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, here it is. We got the 1 slice. I already ate about half of it. Got 1 slice left. It is so good, guys. Definitely one of the best pizzas on Goldbelly to get right now. Check them out all the way from Boston. And definitely give them a try. You guys will be very happy you did. Look at that. Got a flap too. So we're good to go. Alright, YouTubers. Great bar pizza. Great people to talk to. Follow them on Instagram also, Cape Cod. And then check out Goldbelly. Alright, be safe.